I'm Chef Simone Bridges, owner of Goddess Food Factory, and you may have seen me on the Steve Harvey Show or on Wonderama, but let's get into today's treat that's really simple, really delicious, and easy that you can make before school or after school as an at-home snack. But let's get right into it. So we are going to be making a berry parfait, and it's really delicious. It has strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, hint the fact that it's a berry parfait. And so first you're going to take a glass and you're going to go ahead and add in some granola, which is really, really delicious and really healthy. So we're going to add in some granola, and this is going to be like the bottom of our parfait. Just like this. And now you're going to add in some yogurt. Now you can get either Greek yogurt or regular vanilla yogurt. This is Greek vanilla yogurt. So you're just going to mix it up a little bit, add in some yogurt, just a little bit for the bottom. Now we're going to add in some raspberries. And raspberries are really healthy for you. They're super yummy. It's a natural sweetener, which is really good. And I challenge you right now, when you're finished with this video, to go look up 5 facts about raspberries. Go look up 5 facts about raspberries. You'll really be amazed. And now we're going to add in just a little bit of strawberries. We're going to add in a little bit of strawberries as well. So add in some strawberries. So now that we have our raspberries and our strawberries at the bottom. So that's our red. And now we're going to add in a little bit more yogurt. And then we're going to put some blueberries on top. Some blueberries. So guys, as you can see, this is taking me no time. I'm literally just stacking fruits on top. And it's really simple, really easy, and it's healthy. Keep in mind that it's a healthy treat, you know? And what I like to do, because presentation means everything to me, so I like to just kind of go around the perimeter first so that you can see the difference in the colors, from the blue to the reds to the brown, from the granola. So I like to go around the outside, and then I like to fill in the center. You know me, I'm a chef. Presentation means a lot to me, so I make sure that I do it correctly. So kind of just place them anywhere, really. You can place them anywhere, really, but I like to have mine to look nice. I like mine to look nice. So we have our blueberries there. And now we're just going to put a little bit more of the yogurt on top of the blueberries really quickly. And then you're going to top it off with some strawberries and granola. So have some more yogurt like that. Really nice, really simple. And now you're going to go around. Well, first, I'm going to just show you this. This looks so yummy. This looks so yummy. But we are not done yet. We are not done yet. You're going to take your granola, which has lots of deliciousness and healthiness inside of it. And then you're going to go around, because it adds a nice golden brown border to it, which looks amazing for presentation. And then you're just going to go around, around, and around. And then you're going to put some strawberries on top. So put some strawberries on top of this. Just like this. Really nice, really simple. And it looks amazing, you all. I'm telling you, look at this. Now we have our berry parfait. Our berry parfait. Really simple, made under 5 minutes, good, healthy, delicious, and it was really easy. You see, you can make it before you can make it before school, after school, and it'll be just as perfect. Bye.